Good morning, everyone. First of all,
Good morning.
mute your settings. Good morning, everyone. Today we will do the exercise of chapter number 3. Everyone open the chapter number 3, that is page number 29, computer memory. Page number 29. Page number 29, computer memory.
Page number 29.
Yes, page number 29. First, I will tell you in brief for all about the chapter. After that, we will start the exercise. Chapter number 3. Computer, whatever you are learning, where it gets stored.
Good morning. In our brain.
Good morning, everyone. So, in the same way, computer also have the memory system inside the computer and outside the computer also. Some external device also we can use for storing the computer data or the data we want to save for the future use. Now tell me, when you are learning the question answer, when you are doing any question, where it gets stored? Where it gets stored? It's stored in your mind. In the same way, that is our brain work as a memory system. In the that is inside the computer also and outside the computer also, that we can use externally. Some storage is inside and some storage we can use outside also. The first thing is how computer takes the data, any data, how it takes in two digit, 0 and 1. It takes in any data in the terms of two digit, that is 0 and 1, and these two digits are called binary systems. These binary digits, and the system is called binary system. So whatever we are entering, there are two type of memory in the computer. There are memory in the computer. First is primary memory and second one is secondary memory. Primary memory are the memory which are inside the computer, and secondary memory are memory which is we can use externally. Those are used externally, like you are using your pen drive, using your hard disk, some floppy disk is also there. So these we can use externally, and primary memory which are internally, that is already in the computer, but secondary memory we attach through outside. We attach it externally. Externally means from outside. So primary memory, there are two type of primary memory, that is RAM or ROM. RAM is random access memory, ROM is ROM is read only memory. There are two types of memory. First is in primary memory. There are two types, that is RAM
Your
and
voice is not
ROM.
coming.
RAM. What is the RAM? And the primary memory is also called the main memory of the computer because it is inside the computer only, and it is also called the main memory of computers. And there are two types, that is RAM and ROM. RAM is random access and memory, and ROM is read only memory. See, let's take a brief of random access memory, that is RAM. The chapter is already explained. I am telling you in brief so that we can do the exercise easily. So RAM is the type of primary memory. RAM is the type of primary memory. It consists of memory chip. Now you all have seen the SIM card of phone. The chip SIM card is also the type of chip only. So it is consist of chip. It is like the SIM card or memory card that we use in the our cell phone, that we use in the phone system. So this is like the memory chip. Memory chip, you all have seen. You all have seen the SIM card. You all have seen the memory card. Those are the type of chip only.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Now it is a chip, and there are RAM store the information that is temporary. When computer is switch on, that is in the computer. When it is switch off, that is lost. So random access memory is when we switch on the computer and that we are. Now it is audible. So when we use the computer, suppose you are anything by the keyboard to the computer, and it is showing to you, once you will switch off the computer, it will not show you because you have not saved it. So once we are doing the work on computer, when it is switch on, the RAM is working. When it is switch off,
Not coming.
now it is audible. When the computer is switch off, the data is lost or it gets switch off. When computer is switch off, the work we are doing that we cannot see after. Once again we will switch on the computer, that is ROM. ROM is the non-volatile, and volatile and non-volatile, let me tell you what is the volatile and what is the non-volatile. As I have said, when we are doing the work that we can see, and after we switch off the system, the work will be lost. So that is the volatile. And if it is, see, as the name shows, it is the read only memory. ROM is the primary memory for storing the data that can be read only and cannot be written or changed. ROM is the non-volatile memory, as it is content do not get lost even we switch off the computer. When we are doing, let's understand the things. You all are aware of the paint. So once we are doing any painting in the paint option, the thing we are doing, that is in the RAM. But once we are saving it, then it comes to ROM. After, once we will shut down the computer, and after some time or after some days when we will switch on, the saved data we can see or we can access from the. So it is non-volatile, means we can see it after the computer when it switch off. We can see also after the computer will switch off, then some days, after some days or after some time, if we will switch on the computer, we can see the data which we have stored in the computer system. Next is secondary memory. Secondary memory is the memory which we insert externally.
और बोल दीजिए कुछ.
The memory which we can insert externally. Examples, pen drive. Some of you have seen the pen drives. Pen drive is called the secondary memory that we insert externally. Second is CD, DVD. These are the external memory, and these are also called the secondary memory. And secondary memory is also called the external because we are using it outside the computer. That is called externally we are inserting. So this is also called the external memory. Now see, in brief, there is memory. We can store the data in the computer, that is called memory and the storage system. And we can, the memory is of two types, primary memory and the secondary memory. Primary memory are of two types, that is of RAM and ROM. Secondary memory, it can be pen drive, floppy disk, CD, DVDs. These are the secondary memory. Everyone now open the 32 page number. Everyone open the page number 32. Everyone open the page number 32. Everyone open the page number 32. Let's start the exercise. Question number 1. Match the following. 1 bit is 1 character. 1 bit is 1 character. 1 bit is 1 character. 8 bit is 1 byte. 1024 bytes is 1 kilobyte. 1024 kilobytes is 1 megabyte. And 1024 megabytes is 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabytes is 1 terabytes. Complete this question, everyone.
I'm completed. I'm completed.
Page number 32, exercise question number 1, match the following. Complete it fast. Then we will start the.
Ma'am, completed.
Okay. Completed the question number 1, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start the question number 2, that is true, false. The computer, A part is, the computer memory is used to store data and information. True. The computer memory is used to store data and information. True.
Ma'am, here is not space.
Where it is not spaced, it is there in the box. You have to write.
मैम बी नंबर का क्या होगा?
Let me come to the B. The computer memory is used to store data and information. True. The B part is, the computer memory is measured in terms of meter or centimeter. No. The computer memory is measured in terms of bits and bytes. So B part is false. B part is false. B part is false. A part is true. B part is false. C part, primary memory is the external memory. No, primary memory is the internal memory. So it is false. Part C is false. Primary memory is internal memory. Secondary memory is called as external memory. So C part is false. C part is false. D part, RAM is a volatile memory. Yes, RAM is volatile memory and ROM is non-volatile memory. D part is true. D part is true. D part is true.
Slide number.
E part is, hard disk or pen drive are two types of primary memory. False. Hard disk and pen drive are the type of secondary memory. So E part is false. Now once again I am repeating, part A is true, part B is false, part C is false, part D is true, part E is false. Completed, everyone? I'm writing here because that box is not visible to you. I'm writing here, note it down. The computer memory is used to store data. That is true. The computer memory is measured in terms of meter, centimeter. False. Primary memory is the external memory. False. RAM is the volatile memory. True. Hard disk or pen drive are two type of memory. Primary memory. False.
Ma'am, completed.
Everyone complete it. I'm giving you 2 minutes. After that, we will start the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Then everyone, the question number 1 and 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start the question number 3, that is complete the chart. Complete the chart. See, memory are of two types, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary and secondary. Now again, primary memory are of two types, RAM, ROM. Secondary memory are hard disk, pen drive, floppy disk. Write it.
Ma'am. Sony, please.
See, memory are of two types, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory again divide of two types, RAM and ROM. Secondary memory, hard disk, pen drive, floppy disk.
Hello. Ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Completed everyone. Let's start the next question. Open page number 34. Open page number 34. Multiple choice question. Question number 3. Everyone open page number 34.
मैम
Yes.
मैम 34 में क्या करना है?
34, open the page. I am telling you the
Ma'am,
multiple
open
choice
कर लिया।
questions. If done, match the answers. If done, match the answers. See, multiple choice question, take the correct answer. Which of these is a volatile memory? RAM is the volatile memory. RAM is the volatile memory. The smallest unit of information which a computer can process, that is bit. Bit is the smallest memory information. Bit is the smallest unit. Bit is the smallest unit. Third is 1 gigabyte is equals to 1024 terabyte. Deep part is secondary memory, is also called the external memory. I'm again repeating. A is RAM, B is bit, C is 1024 terabyte, D is secondary memory, is called external memory. Part C, it will be 1 gigabyte is equals to 1024 megabytes. Part C, it will be first option. Part C, 1 gigabyte is equals to 1024 megabytes. Complete everyone. Complete everyone. A is RAM, B is bit, C is 1024 megabyte, D is secondary memory, is called external memory. Complete it fast. Then I will ask you some questions from the chapters only.
Completed. 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 I'm completed. Ma'am.
आवाज आता है।
आ जाएगा। ये बार हो जाता है।
अरे तू क्या लिखा है?
मैम पूछिए।
Completed everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now everyone from the chapters, there, everyone, see. Now tell me one thing. Computer memory are of how many types? How many types of computer memory?
Primary memory, secondary memory.
Yes, those are of two types: primary memory and secondary memory. Yes.
Primary memory,
Now,
secondary memory. हमको पता था ये आंसर।
yes. Now, Primary memory is of how many types? Primary memory is of how many
Primary
types?
memory, secondary memory, and ROM.
Primary memory is of two types, that is RAM and ROM. That is RAM and ROM. Primary memories are of two types, RAM and ROM. Now, which memory is called the internal memory?
Hard disk,
Which memory is called the internal memory? No. Primary memory is called, first everyone listen to me, then I will ask you the same question to you. Yes. Primary memory is called as the internal memory, also called the main memory of computer. Now, which memory is called the volatile memory? Which memory is called the volatile memory? RAM is called the volatile memory. RAM is called the volatile memory. Which memory is called the non-volatile? Which memory is called the non-volatile?
RAM.
ROM. 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 That is read-only memory. ROM is called the non-volatile memory. Now, tell me some example of secondary memory.
Hard disk. Ma'am, hard disk, pen drive, and floppy disk.
Yes, very good. Secondary memory are hard disk, pen drive, and floppy disk. Tell me, secondary memory is also called secondary memory. Yes. Now tell me, secondary memory is also called. Secondary memory is also called.
Floppy drive. Ma'am, hard disk. Hard disk, pen drive.
These are the. See, secondary memory is also called the external memory. Primary memory, internal memory, secondary memory, external memory. Now tell me the computer memory measured in computer memory is measured in bits and bytes. Computer memory measured in bits and bytes. Bits and bytes are used for computer memory measurement. In which unit computer memory is measured? In which unit computer memory is measured? Bit, B-I-T, bit, and B-Y-T-E-S, bytes. Bits and bytes are used. Bits and bytes are used for measured in computer memory. Now, primary memory are of two types. Which are those types? Who will tell me? Who will tell me? Just type the answer. Don't tell me. Just type the answer. Primary memory are of two types. Tell me the types.
RAM and RAM. RAM. The types of two types.
Yes, very good. RAM and ROM. RAM and ROM is called primary memory. Now, who will tell me the example of external memory, that is secondary memory? Example of external memory.
Ma'am, floppy disk, pen drive, floppy disk.
Yes, very good. Hard disk, floppy disk, pen drive, CDs, DVD, these are the example of. Now, which memory is the main memory of computer?
memory.
Very good. Primary memory is the main memory of computer. Now tell me which is used as external memory and which memory is also called the external memory.
Secondary memory.
Yes, very good. The secondary memory is also called. Now who will tell me the full form of RAM? Type your answer. Who will tell me the full form of RAM?
Random access memory.
Very good. RAM it stands for random access memory. Very good. Who will tell me the full form of ROM?
Read only memory.
Very good. Read only memory. Now one by one, show me your exercise. The boy with the sitting with name Priyanka, show me your exercise. Questions. Let me check. Manya, show me your book. Keep it closer to the camera. Keep it closer to the camera. Yes, one by one, I'm checking it. Yes, page number 34. Page number 34.
Ma'am.
Aditya, show me your book. Aditya, show me your book. Page number 34. Yugrachna, show me your book. Aditi Sharma, page number 34, show it to me. Number 34. Aditi Sharma, page number 34. Page number 34, show it.